Hi, welcome to another video on organizing information and part numbering. So there are occasions where you are looking to use OpenBOM to solve your part numbering challenges. Either you are not part numbering or you are like a new startup and have descriptive part numbers looking to improve them, or you are using vendor part numbers like from McMaster and you want to assign your own part numbers so you don't have to update parent assemblies every time you change a vendor and wants to move to that best practice that you have your own internal part number. So either you are coming from Excel or you have your data from CAD and you are populating. OpenBOM can help you organize data and redefine your new part numbers from scratch. If you already have a legacy part number, you should evaluate if you want to change it and you start cross-referencing with brand new ones. You can evaluate to start a new number from now on. To if you see that your old part number practices are not suited for the future. Let's say you have 16 characters or a train of part numbers that is seen as creating new challenges with your spare parts. So OpenBOM can help you both ways. So either coming from Excel, if you are importing from Excel, the best practice would be that you define your new numbering in Excel directly. Let's say you have a counter with 6 digits, and you define this in Excel itself, and then configure OpenBOM to have the next counter available in your catalog. So import from Excel with already the new scheme of part numbers, and then set up part numbering with a range and a counter. OpenBOM will pick up the next number available. You can also reset the original counter to be on a specific number where you are starting the number from your Excel import. Now, if you are using CAD and importing from CAD, you can also first, if you already imported with your old file names, all part numbers from CAD, it's a good practice that you remove them, you delete them first from your catalogs. So that will be the first step to do will be to remove them and delete them. So we do track those part numbers associated with CAD files and also delete the bill of materials that you already have in your existing data. So you can delete them from bombs and items. So just delete them. And then you can start from CAD importing this data. So once you have set up the part numbering in OpenBOM and selected the default catalog in settings, so you can select the default catalog, you can use the generate part number command in CAD. So this will look for a catalog that already has a part numbering schema defined. So notice that the one we are talking about, my items here, it does have a part numbering set up. So you click on that part number and add a prefix. In this case, is 1, and then a counter. So if you are looking for starting the best part numbering, nothing is wrong about with a counter starting in 1 and 6 digits. You cannot go wrong with that. So in this case, we're going to generate part numbers, select recurse for subassemblies, and we're going to generate all of them in this case. So let's do that. Let's generate the part number. And this is going to save and change your CAD data, adding this information to the part number. So if you look into the CAD data, you will see that there is a new part number being assigned to all files. This has changed the CAD data, so I'm going to save these changes. All files will be modified, so I can change and look, even confirm that the part number is being saved in CAD files. And if you're using SolidWorks, you can do a trick that you change the description shown to the part number field. You can also show that on the tree display, show component names and descriptions there. So you can also tick that selection, show component description. And once you do that, you can see that the part number shows on the tree. It's a very simple way just to see drawing number and part number together. We'll talk a bit more later about file naming conventions on CAD on another video. But right now we are solving the challenge. You have descriptive names, you want to move to a new part numbering schema, you have used the generate part number, and you're ready to create that information into OpenBOM and start organizing your data in a new organized way with proper part numbering. Part numbering is crucial for your managing your product data, so identify components, spare parts, talk to suppliers and contract manufacturers with accurate information. So as you can see, very simple and easy to use OpenBOM to solve your part numbering challenges and start working your way with your own internal part numbering. Thank you. See you in another video.